Hi, my name is Zach Morley from Construction Robotics. Today we're going to be discussing how to put your machine into its shipping configuration. The configuration I'm going to be describing is also the positioning for your machine that you will want to use when moving it from location to location on your job site. So first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to locate the arm one and the head unit so it is parallel with the ground base. Install our rotation lock, and also install the secondary locking pin into the rotation lock. From there, we will want to collapse our arms onto the same side as our arm stowage clasp. The hook will go into the small slot at the end of the arm 3, and then will tension back onto itself and lock into position. From there, we will want to stow our handle. It is important that the handle is in its on and in floating position. From there, we'll come around to the screen side. We will press our park button. What that's going to do for us is it's going to move the handle to its factory default setting for parking and stowing. This is important because if this handle becomes too close to this, when we collapse the arms, the belt will be tensioned too tightly and it will be difficult to disassemble in the future. Next, we'll remove the stowage pin, hang our handle by inserting the pegs into the rubberized holes there on the arm 3, and then we will reinsert the stowage pin and accompanying hitch pin and e-stop our handle. From there, it is safe to go ahead and power off the machine. We do not need that on any longer. Next, we want to make sure that our outriggers are collapsed and our jacks are run up. We'll do so by removing the long pin in our outriggers after making sure there's no more tension on our jacks. And then we will slide the front outrigger in until we can see the hole where we need to insert our pin. Then from there we'll slide the other one in from the back side until we can line up the pin with its hole. And make sure that that pin is inserted all the way. Now before going on to the truck or moving on to a secondary location, we want to make sure that these jack stands are up past the lower plate on our ground base. The machine is now in a position where it can be moved. You can either do so by using a telehandler or fork truck and lifting from these fork pockets, or using the rigging eyes with a 5/8 shackle to be able to load them onto whatever you get it. And that's that.